Day 17. It's like a frozen world out here. Cold, man. And I'm sitting here at lunch. I got a visitor. He's looking right at me. Look at that. What's up, bruh? Let's see if I can give him an onion ring. I don't know if... Can seagulls eat onion rings? I'll give you an onion ring, bruh. There you go. And he's got the onion ring. Onion ring? You want this onion ring, bruh? Look, right there. He's eating my onion ring. And it's hot, but you ain't getting my whole lunch, bruh. I can't give you all my food today, bruh. Oh, you shit on my car? You bastard. I feed you onion rings and cheeseburgers and you take a dump on my car. Bastard.